Well, everybody, it's a rainy day, and Chase is looking out the window. Chase, can you say hi to the children? Chase, hello. Well, he's looking out at the backyard and seeing how rainy it is. So we thought we'd sing our weather song and the Rain, Rain, Go Away song. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather for today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? Whoosh today. Is it rainy? Yes, it is. Is it snowy? Is it lightning and thunder today? Tell us, Chase, what's the weather? What's the weather for today? Well, I think we better sing Rain, Rain, Go Away. Ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the children and the doggies want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Well, we'll see you again tomorrow, and maybe we'll have a story and a project. Maybe. Bye.